Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today's video is a 2-for-1. I'm going to show you 2 cards with the exact same layout. The only difference is which designer series paper and which sentiment we're using. We're going to be using the adorable Penguin Place bundle from the Autumn Mini catalog, and this bundle is good for more than just Christmas. So the card measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of cardstock that's 4.5 by 3.25 inches, and a piece of designer series paper that's 4 3/8 by 3 1/8. This paper is the Sweet Stockings from the Autumn Mini catalog, and this paper is the Pattern Party designer series paper, a Hostess exclusive from the annual catalog. To start off, I'm going to stamp 2 penguins, one for each card, and punch them out. These little penguins are incredibly adorable. You just can't help but be happy when you're creating with them. Watch how they come together and just get cuter and cuter with each step. Next, I'm going to stamp my 2 different sentiments. I'm using 2 different ink colors to coordinate with the 2 different designer series papers I'm using. I'm going to use my stitched rectangles dies and my mini sew machine to cut out these sentiments. Let me show you a closer look at each of these papers. Now I'm ready to assemble my cards. Simple layout with just one change creates 2 different cards, birthday or holiday. I love that Stampin' Up products are versatile enough to do double duty and beyond. There's my finished cards. Remember that you'll get a chance to win one of these cards when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you one of these in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and to sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And while you're there, don't forget to check out the events calendar for my upcoming virtual and in-person classes. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online or in-person party. Drop me a line for more details. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!